Good morning, dear students. I am Ravinder Malik, and today we will study the literature part of class 6 and the lesson number 11. And the name of the lesson is Color Me Pink. Actually, it is an extract which was taken from a famous book, My Brother's Wedding, and the author of this book is Andalav Wazid. Students, do you like color? And which color do you like most? I think everybody likes color, and colors play an important role in our life, in our festival, in weddings, and in any parties or any celebration. There is a great role of colors. So, students, have a look about the author. Here is the picture of author you can see. She is Andalav Wazid and she is a Bangalore based writer. She has written on diverse topics like food, relationship, and weddings in a Muslim context. She started writing at the young age. At the age of 10, she started writing and she decided to pursue writing as a career after school also. She is married now and she has two sons. She is an Indian writer. Now have a look on the objectives of learning. The first objective is to make the students understand about traditional Indian marriage. Second one is to teach them values of a family. And the third one is to make the students familiar with new words. And last but not least, to improve their academic skills. So let's talk about the introduction of the lesson. There are mainly five characters in this lesson. Saba, the narrator, Q, her elder sister, Y, his brother, and X, his friend. X, Y, and Q and Ami, they plays a great role in Saba's life, and we can say that Y has got married, and since the day her mother and sister begins scanning the horizon for prospective brides, there never been a dull moment at home. Saba, though, just cannot understand what the fuss is all about. A literature student pulled away from her beloved books. She really loved books, but she was got engaged. Join Saba and her family as they quarrel over shopping, expenses, and responsibilities. And let's enjoy the lesson.
Begin the story with characters. There are mainly four characters in the story. The main character is Saba, and she is Q, her elder sister, and she is her mother. And he is a salesperson, and they all are in a shopping mall. They are doing shopping for the marriage. So, start. When Q suggested that we buy the bride a pink ghagra for the engagement, I was shocked. So here the narrator is saying that when Q suggested that they will purchase pink color ghagra, so I was shocked. Ghagra, I think you know, it is a traditional dress of India. So why she was shocked? Why the Saba was shocked? Let's get the answer. Pink was one color that Q had always dissuaded me from wearing. So the Q always discouraged. Dissuaded means we can say discouraged or to stop. Q always stopped her to wearing that clothes, that color, because it was her favorite color. Pink was Q's favorite color. She looked marvelous in it, and she didn't want anyone else to look prettier than her. So Q never wanted anyone else to wear that dress because she don't want anybody else to look prettier than her. Note that I minded, I tell you, pink is a rather drab and lifeless color. Give me red any day, or sunshine yellow, or moss green. So here the narrator is saying that I never minded, I don't mind if you like it or don't like, because pink is for me a drab and lifeless. Actually, it is a boring color for me. It is a boring color for the narrator. And she was saying that give me red or sunshine yellow or moss green. So here in this passage, they were discussing about the color of ghagra which were they are going to buy. See, getting back to the point, we had to buy a ghagra for bride. So they again come to other points, and they were saying that we purchased a ghagra for the bride. Bride, you know that dulhan. Traditionally, the boys' side bring the bride's outfit for the engagement and even for the wedding. Here, the narrator is they are discussing that what is the tradition, what is in our culture that boys' side, the people from boys' side, they bring the dress for the bride. That's something that I can't get my head around. I can't get my head around. It is an idiom which means understood. Like we can say, get someone head around. It means we can understand. So, what if the boy side didn't have any fashion sense? What if the boy something totally atrocious like iridescent yellow with the fat fleshy skins? The girl would still have to wear it. Atrocious means unpleasant, and iridescent means we can say a bright color, and skins are shining materials which are used on the clothes. So here there are many questions in Saba's mind, that what will happen if they will purchase, the boy side people purchase the means unwanted colored or atrocious and iridescent bright, too much bright color or very shiny materials are there. So what will happen? So she is thinking that she is very happy that they are purchasing themselves for their marriage. So is this girl lucky that my sister is on the buying committee? So this is a question that buying committee means the committee means a group of people. So her sister is there in the group of in that committee, in the shopping committee we can say. Probably CQ never goes wrong when it comes to clothes, unless they are mine. Okay, Q is the girl, she never goes wrong, means she select original things, she select a very nice and beautiful things. We can say she know very well about the shopping. In the brightly lit showroom, Commercial Street, Q walked in looking awesome as usual. So they were in the streets, and there we can say that Q were looking awesome. Awesome means gorgeous, very wonderful, very beautiful. She had pressed her sunglasses on the top of her hijab, multiplying her style quotient 10 times over. So she put her sunglasses on the top of hijab. Hijab we can say a type of clothes which is wear around the neck in Muslim community. So here sunglasses multiply her beauty. The salesman stood upright all at once when she entered, as though someone had given them booster shoot. So here all the salesmen, yes, here you can see salesman. It's plural of salesmen. Okay, so all they stood up, and it seems to them that they get booster shoot to increase the immunity. Okay, so they seemed petrified because he was an old customer who couldn't be pleased easily. They become petrified, they become afraid, or they become alert, we can say. Why it so happened? Because that girl, the Q, always visit their shop, and she couldn't select the things easily. So here, show me one pink. She spoke huskily. One salesman tumbled in, holding a huge tower of ghagras straining under their weight as he placed them on the counter. One by one he rolled out the design, and my breath quickened when I noticed some pretty ones flash by. So here Q spoke Huskily. Huskily is an adverb. The synonym of huskily is hoarsely, means in a rough voice. So show me only pink. Here you can see the interrogation, mark of interrogation. We use it for the direct speech. If we quoted the same statement, exact statement of a speaker, then we use it, and the exact statement which is put on the quotation mark, it is called direct speech. So one salesman came there and he started to show lots of ghagras. He put all the ghagras on the counter, and there were different kinds of different designs of ghagras were there, and Saba's heartbeat started fasten when she see any beautiful ghagra. So, but Q kept flickering them away, asking them to bring more. But Q were asking them to show me more and more. My mother was obviously going to take Q's advice and not mine, so I kept my mouth shut and watched the lovely design unfurled before me. So here Sabha is saying that her mother never asked her suggestion. Here the Q was given preference. She always take Q's advice. So she thought that it will be good to be keep mum, and to see the lovely things, lovely designs unfurled before them. So all these three persons are doing shopping and they are purchasing a ghagra for the bride. I noticed another salesman coming with two more ghagras in his arms from the corner of my eyes. I stiffened when I saw the one of the toe. It was an oyster pink, delicate confection that was absolutely gorgeous with the right amount of bling. So here Sava noticed a salesman who was having a wonderful dress, wonderful ghagra in his hand. So she stiffened means we can say froze with a surprise. Sava was surprised to see that beautiful ghagra, and it was oyster pink. Oyster we can say pinkish white, and delicate confection means it was the work of different decorative materials were put on the clothes, and it looked absolutely gorgeous we can see very beautiful, and with the right amount of bling. Okay, so it glittered and winked and beckoned me, and I gave in, touching the silky material lightly. I could envision myself stunning all the guests at Wiles' wedding when I wore it. I could probably blow dry my hair as my friend X keeps suggesting, and leave it open for tie it at the nape with a ribbon, or I could. So here the Ghagra was calling her. The Ghagra was calling her. He was winking means to close and open the eyes, glittering brightness, and it was baking. इशारा कर रहा था, उसको बुला रहा था इसको सबा को. And I gave in, and she is saying that I gave in material lightly, and I could envision. She was visualizing. She was visualizing that all the guests in Wise wedding were stunning. They were surprised to see the Saba, and blow dry my hair. She was imagine here that I can bind my hair, or I can be open my hair, and X keeps suggesting here, and X, who is X here? X is her friend. She is imagining that X suggests her to have the hairstyle, different kinds of hairstyle. She was talking here, and you can tie your hair, or you can put them at the nape with a ribbon. Nape here we can say the back part of your neck. Or I could. So here she was imagining that she was wearing that ghagra, and everybody was looking at her. It is her imagination. Wait a second. No one had said they were buying this for me. As the salesman spread it out with a flourish, I picked up a corner and read the price and almost stopped breathing. Yes, wait a second. Means then she started to wait, and then she observed that no one asked her to buy that. And when she picked up the corner and when she checked the rate of that ghagra, it was 75,000 rupees. Yes, it was too expensive. It was very expensive for them. Ami too had been the price and she had failed, hoping that Q wouldn't select it. Ami also saw the price and she was very pale. She was very surprised that Q will select or not. She was afraid that if Q will select, it will be difficult to pay the money. And she apparently been hoping something. And what is their wish, or what is her wish, or what is their wish? We can say they want to purchase the ghagra between 15 to 20,000 rupees. So here this passage is the mixture of the sentence like past simple and past continuous. Like they were buying. This is they were buying this one for me. This is in which tense? This sentence is in past continuous tense. So you need to focus on the tenses also. Okay, let's begin with the next passage. Q looked at the oyster pink ghagra critically, she inspected it more thoroughly than the others, lifting a handful of silk and letting it go through her fingers sensually. So here, Q, Saba's elder sister, started to observe that ghagra. She started to inspect and she started to observe it with her hands. Keep this aside, I want it for myself. She spoke briskly. Briskly is an adverb which has the meaning like quickly, you can say. And she spoke briskly, we can say she spoke very fast, that keep it this aside. Keep it for me, I want to purchase it for myself. The salesman nodded his head quickly, relieved to have brought her something that finally met with her approval. So the salesman nodded. Nodded means to say yes. Say yes quickly, jaldi से yes किया. Why? Because he relieved, राहत की सांस मिली. He was satisfied because you know that Q was the girl. She never became satisfied at the soap because she wanted more and more colors and more design. At last she select, but she selected here very early, so the shopkeeper, or we can say the salesman, became satisfied here. So at the shopping mall showroom, they purchased, or they select Q select a ghagra, and that was of pink color. Why she selected the pink color? Because pink was her favorite color. So they were there for the purchasing, for shopping for the brides, but here Q purchased for herself also. So let's begin with the next point, and we will take the other one as well. She said and got up. She stand up here and she said that we will take another one also. Ami looked at her merely surprised, but I couldn't bring myself to get up immediately. So here we can see that Saba was very surprised and he couldn't get up immediately. What? What? The other one? I should look at her again to see if she was serious, and she was. So she put question. Other one? And it was looking like that. She looked at the Q, and Q was serious at that time. The bride's ghagra were also pink, but I can't quite describe the color without going into palpitation. So they have completed here their shopping. She selected the pink color ghagra, and other one they also selected for the bride. So here here Saba is describing the bride's ghagra, She was saying that bribe's ghagra I can't describe without palpitation. Without, we can say palpitation means to rise the heartbeat. सो टू घबराहट भी हम इसको बोल सकते हैं, बिना घबराए उसको नहीं बता सकते. वाई? बिकॉज क्या था उसमें घाघरे में, यू कैन सी कैसा कलर था या क्या था. द ओस्टर पिंक घाघरा वॉज लाइक द क्वीन. विच घाघरा? विच वॉज परचेज्ड बाय, विच वॉज सेलेक्टेड बाय द क्यू, दैट वॉज लाइक अ क्वीन. while the other one was like the queen's poor relation dress in all her fake finery. The other one which they selected for the bride, that was looking not awesome, that was looking very simple. It was violent shade. Okay, what is the color of that ghagra? It was violent shade of pink, the kind that erupt when a halwai accidentally drop more pink color into the sea of coconut burfi he is making. So here she was comparing that ghagra, that sometime it is the violent pink, its color is violent pink, and she compare that color with halwai's sweets. Halwai, you know, okay, who makes sweets. When halwai by mistake drops some more pink color into the coconut burfi, what happens? They looks very observed. So which is where the name of Mithai Pink was probably born. And here at last she says that the Mithai Pink was born from there. Means she was not serious here, she was joking that the Mithai Pink was born from that color. Okay, so this is the, here we have seen that all the three characters are here purchasing, doing shopping for their marriage, and Saba is here not being paid attention by her mother and her elder sister. Why? Because she is a younger girl. So in your life also you have seen that the younger member of the family, they were most of the time they were ignored by the elders, but they have also their desire, they also have their wish, and at last. But here one thing is that on the many occasions, like religious occasion, like marriage occasion, like in a party, we we have chance to purchase, we have chance to meet with each other, and we become very happy at that moment. It happens only when we are younger. When we become older, then we understand all the things, that nothing was wrong with us. So students, this is the end of the lesson. You need to read it, you need to understand it, and you need to apply whatever you have learned from this lesson. Thank you.